The Sony A9 III introduces a suite of groundbreaking features that set a new standard in sports and wildlife photography. Its global shutter sensor is a first for full-frame cameras, enabling distortion-free, high-speed shooting and eliminating rolling shutter artifacts. This technology allows photographers to capture up to 120 frames per second in continuous bursts, ensuring no moment is missed, even with the fastest-moving subjects. The advanced autofocus system, powered by 759 phase detection points and AI-driven real-time recognition, delivers precise tracking for a wide range of subjects, from athletes to wildlife. Combined with blackout-free performance, these innovations provide photographers with unprecedented speed and reliability. As a result, the A9 III empowers users to document dynamic scenes with clarity and confidence, redefining what is possible in action photography. The Sony A9 III's innovative global shutter design brings remarkable speed, but it does introduce some image quality trade-offs. Notably, the camera's dynamic range is somewhat reduced compared to traditional sensors, and its base ISO of 250 can result in increased noise in low-light conditions. With a 24.6-megapixel sensor, resolution is adequate for most sports and wildlife applications, though it may fall short for photographers needing extreme detail for large prints or heavy cropping. For best results, pairing the A9 III with high-quality telephoto lenses is recommended, as this combination fully leverages its advanced autofocus and burst capabilities. Prospective users should also regularly update the camera's firmware, which can improve performance and add new features over time. Overall, the A9 III excels in fast-paced environments, making it ideal for professionals who prioritize speed and subject tracking over maximum image quality.